most of our confidence is based on how we look, which brand we carry, what designation we have, and which class we belong to. And moreover, all the material things. Isn't it? Every one of us wants to be confident because it is the most essential factor of success in our life. But the thing is, does our appearance really help us success in every field of our life? Yes, sometimes we might feel very confident with the attire we have, makeup we wear, or brand we carry. But the real confidence comes when one's word, one's action, and one's thoughts are really based on the higher principles of life. It is based on knowing who we are. What is the purpose of our life? And what we as a human being can really serve the world around us. If we have such confidence, we can really be a great help to everyone around us. So guys, together, let's go deeper into building a real confidence. It's Sumitra from Culture Lab. Stay updated for more videos, and hey, don't forget to carry the real confidence in you. Culture Lab, it's more than education.